Hi, my name is Ati and I'm the co-founder of FinFinder. Do you know somebody who is planning a wedding, expecting a child, buying a new home, or planning a retirement? Every year there are about 400,000 major life events like this happening here in Switzerland, and most of them trigger a financial need. Like, how do I invest? How do I plan my retirement? Or can I get a mortgage for a new home? The problem is that most of them do not approach their bank advisor because they don't have one, or they don't like them, or they just don't know where to start. On the other side, there are at least 30,000 financial advisors in Switzerland looking for new clients. That's why we launched FinFinder, Switzerland's first independent, data-driven matchmaking platform for qualified financial advisors. Like a dating platform, it brings together two people. It's not Tinder, it's Finder. The big difference is that our matches actually meet in real life, whereas 98% of Tinder matches never go on a date. FinFinder is for everyone, young to old, wealthy or not. For clients, it provides a shortcut to pre-screened qualified advisors. It's easy and free to use. For advisors, it's a subscription-based marketing channel. My co-founder and I are a perfect match too. Andreas Schöni is a financial planner himself, has more than 40 years of experience and a large network. I'm also a former sales manager at Swiss banks, a digital marketing expert, and I've already co-founded a successful travel marketplace that is still active today. FinFinder is a new way to find the right financial advisor, and it's been already working since October last year. The platform has already generated more than 1,000 leads for 150 advisors of banks, insurance companies and others. And by the end of next year, we want to reach 400 financial advisors on the platform. And with just 3% of the advisors, we can generate an annual revenue of 1 million Swiss francs. We are currently in the F10 incubation program, preparing our first angel round so we can start hiring new salespeople. And beyond financial advice, we see opportunities in other markets like tax experts, real estate agents, and expansions to other regions. We already have commitments from 4 angel investors. And today, we are looking for the last spot in this round. If you want to invest in a foolproof concept with an experienced team and a multi-country, multi-service, scalable business model, then we are your perfect match. Let's go on a date and you won't be disappointed. Thank you very much.